Varun Dhawan's family is infected with the virus. Because of the current outbreak of the deadly virus around the world, our nation is going through a complete lockdown. Just like other people, celebrities are also staying at their respective homes because the shootings are also put on hold. Varun Dhawan is also abiding by the rules and staying at home with his family to stay safe. But unfortunately, the deadly virus has already entered the Dhawan family. Yes, it is right that the deadly virus has already managed to enter the Tinsel town. Moreover, it has entered the Dhawan family. Let us find out in the video who got infected with the deadly virus recently. Varun Dhawan always keeps his fan updated with his daily routines or workout plans during these days. He is also trying to make his fans aware about the current situation going around the world. He has already made many videos to aware people about this time of crisis. Recently, the actor took his social media account to announce about a sad news that has shocked everyone. Through his social media account, Kalank actor Varun has revealed that one of his relatives got infected with the virus. Varun added that his relative lives in USA and he said all these things when he was doing a live session with his fans. The actor added that the disease has come very close to everyone's home and people need to understand the crisis. Varun is really upset that people are not understanding the gravity of the situation and ignoring it like nothing. The actor urged everyone to stay in their homes to keep themselves and others safe from the virus. The hit machine of Bollywood is requesting his fans and all the people to maintain social distancing. Recently, Varun started a live session with one of his friends, Zoya Morani, who is also infected with the virus. Zoya, along with her father, producer Karim Morani, and sister Shaza Morani, got infected with the virus. The three of them were under treatment. Zoya has revealed that her symptoms started with a mild fever during 20th March. Varun has been very active to aware people and he has also come forward to help the nation during this time of crisis. The actor has donated a huge amount of 30 lakhs rupees to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the nation. Varun Dhawan has also donated a whopping amount of 25 lakhs rupees to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Maharashtra for the welfare of the state. The actor has also pledged to help the daily workers of the industry as they are jobless now because all the works of shooting are stopped. The actor has also come forward to help the underprivileged people by providing them meals. In spite of maintaining proper hygiene and staying safely, celebrities are getting infected with the virus. Bollywood celebs like Kanika Kapoor, Purab Kohli and his family, producer Karim Morani and his family got infected. Smoky Evening wishes everyone speedy recovery from this virus. The team of Smoky Evening is requesting everyone to stay safely inside home and maintain social distance. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.